Hello, my name's Derek Roberts and I want to welcome you to the Rogers Group Lacey Spring Quarry. Today we're going to take a tour through the plant and see some of the different processes we use to turn limestone into a quality crushed stone product that our customers can use. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Rogers Group. We've been in business for over 100 years building communities from the ground up. We're currently headquartered in Nashville, Tennessee and operate in 7 states, including Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas, North Carolina, Kentucky, and Indiana. We've built our business over the 100 years based upon our core values, which are unwavering integrity, excellence in every undertaking, and placing the highest value upon our people. Now that I've told you a little bit about the Rogers Group, let's get started with our tour today. As you can see behind me, we'll start here in the quarry, work our way up to the plant, see all the different processes there in the plant, including crushing, screening, conveying, and then see the final product come off the conveyors and talk a little bit about the uses of the crushed stone here at the Lacey Spring Quarry.
Hi, my name's Tommy Thurman. I'm with Rogers Group Incorporated, the Lacey Spring Quarry. I'm the manager at this location. Lacey Spring Quarry has only been in operation for 5 years. You're going to see some explaining, or try to, of the processes that we actually use. You can see back behind me actually a field here at the Lacey Spring Quarry 5 years ago. This was just a hay field, and we have actually converted it into a quarry. First phase of a rock quarry, you have to remove the overburden, which is actually the dirt that is on top of the rock. As you can see behind me in the grassy field, that has to be removed. Here at the Lacey Spring Quarry, we actually remove approximately 6 foot of dirt, then we leave 4 foot of dirt, and we drill into the stone approximately 4 feet. That gives us a good level floor. Here at the Lacey Spring Quarry, we move approximately 65,000 cubic yards of dirt every year just to uncover the stone that we have to produce on any given year. Phase 2 in our industry is the drilling and blasting process. As you can actually see, down below me is actually after the overburden has been removed. Underneath me is the actual overburden that we remove in the process that we spoke about a few minutes ago. In a drilling and blasting process, you will actually see this level here. The drilling pattern will look like dots actually, and the drill will come in and drill a 5.5 inch diameter hole at a depth of over 60 feet. The blasting process, as you can see behind me, after the detonation of a blast, involved in approximately 16 hours of drilling time, 6 hours of the blast loading time to produce the more than 40,000 ton that you see here. The main objective for blasting is to take a solid wall formation and actually put it in a form that we can load with machinery to put it through the processing. Let's take a look at the actual blast process. The loading process, as you can see behind me, this machine is actually loading material from a 3 foot size material all the way down to dust that will be going to the processing plant. The excavator that you're seeing is actually, replacement cost will be around $600,000. This machine will put 8 buckets per load. Each haul truck holds approximately 40 ton. We're at the primary crusher. At the primary crusher, the raw material from the pit is dumped into a hopper and it goes through the primary crusher. The primary crusher actually crushes material from 3 foot down to an 8-inch minus size material. So basically 8-inch down to powder will be going through the primary crusher. The processing phase. After the primary crusher, the material is separated on what we call a screen, on different size openings on the screen that actually separates the different sizes. 8-inch size, 8 to 12-inch size riprap is actually pulled after the primary stage on what we call the scalping screen. The next phase of the crushing is what we call the secondary phase of crushing. The secondary crusher takes material from the 8-inch size material down to a 3-inch and smaller size. It is then screened again, pulling the larger material off. The material that is too large to make a product is sent to the tertiary size crusher. The tertiary will crush anything from 2.5-inch size material all the way down to a very small size for manufactured sand or agricultural lime. To give an example of the different products manufactured, to my left side is actually riprap that is produced from the primary scalping screen all the way down to the tertiary, which is actual manufactured sand. Products produced in the quarry range in a variety of different sizes. Here at this facility, 10 as a matter of fact. Number 1 is crusher run. Crusher run has 2 different sizes that we produce here. The 1.5-inch crusher run, which is actually used in the production of road base that asphalt goes on top of. The 3/4-inch size crusher run goes into many driveways for the personal uses at people's homes. 3/4-inch size is a chip. 3/4-inch size is used in the manufacturing of concrete. The other size that is used very commonly is a 1/4-inch size material that is used for a chip and seal process for many back roads that you see throughout counties and for the surface material in asphalt, and all the way down to agricultural lime. Agricultural lime is used to control the pH within the ground use for farmers. Water captured in the pit from either groundwater or natural runoff from the rains is utilized throughout the entire facility. It is pumped from the pit to the plant location for processing. In the processing, it is used for dust control, high pressure water hoses for cleanup, and even washing the material. The water from the pit winds up in a pond and it recycles completely. When it's washed from the material, it winds up back in the pond and reused again. The water is also used for dust control around the main plant or the main entrance at the facility and used for irrigation for the lawn.
Thanks for joining us on our tour of the Lacey Spring Quarry today. For more information on the Rogers Group, you can visit us at rogersgroupinc.com. Hope to see you soon.